Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some cultural practices trivia. What is the Japanese art of folding paper? Kintsugi, or B kirigami, or C origami, or D sumi? The correct answer is C origami. Which dance is associated with Argentina? A waltz, or B ballet, or C samba, or D tango? The correct answer is tango. What festival is celebrated in India with colors? A. Holi or Diwali, or C. Eid, or D. Navratri? The correct answer is A. Holi. What is the traditional Hawaiian feast called? A. Island banquet, or B. Aloha festival, or C. Luau, or D. Hula celebration? The correct answer is C. Luau. What is the primary beverage associated with England? A. Beer, or B. Coffee, or C. Lemonade, or D. Tea? The correct answer is tea. Which country is famous for flamenco dancing? A. Spain, or B. Brazil, or C. Mexico, or D. Italy? The correct answer is A. Spain. What type of cuisine is sushi part of? A. Korean, or B. Thai, or C. Japanese, or D. Chinese? The correct answer is C. Japanese. What celebration marks the end of Ramadan? A. Diwali, or B. Christmas, or C. Thanksgiving, or D. Eid al-Fitr? The correct answer is D. Eid al-Fitr. What Chinese festival involves mooncakes? Mid-Autumn Festival, or B. Qingming Festival, or C. Dragon Boat Festival, or D. Lantern Festival? The correct answer is A. Mid-Autumn Festival. What is the Brazilian festival known for parades? A. Dia de São João, or Festa do Peão, or C. Festa Junina, or D. Carnival? The correct answer is D. Carnival. What dance originated from the African American community in the 1920s? A. Waltz, or B. Charleston, or C. Lindy Hop, or D. Tango? The correct answer is B. Charleston. What is the primary holiday celebrated by Jews in the spring? A. Purim, or B. Yom Kippur, or C. Passover, or D. Rosh Hashanah? The correct answer is C. Passover. What is the festival of lights in Hindu culture? A. Diwali or Makar Sankranti, or D. Navratri? The correct answer is A. Diwali. What Indonesian island is known for its unique culture and rituals? Java, or B. Sulawesi, or C. Bali, or D. Sumatra? The correct answer is C. Bali. What is the Spanish event involving tomato throwing? Feria de Abril, Recorrida de Toros, or C. La Tomatina, or D. San Fermin? The correct answer is C. La Tomatina. What type of Indonesian performance art uses dance, music, and drama? A. Balinese gamelan, or B. Wayang kulit, or C. Saman dance, or D. Angklung musical? The correct answer is B. Wayang kulit. What North American holiday focuses on giving thanks? A. Christmas, or B. Independence Day, or C. Halloween, or D. Thanksgiving? The correct answer is D. Thanksgiving. What do people in Thailand celebrate in the new year? A. Harvest Festival, or B. Water Festival, or C. Lunar New Year, or D. Songkran? The correct answer is Songkran. What is the name of the ceremony observing the transition to adulthood for Hindu girls? Coming of age, or B, puberty ceremony, or C, rite of passage, or D, adult festival? The correct answer is B, puberty ceremony. In which culture is the practice of siesta associated? A, Italian, or B, Greek, or C, Spanish or French? The correct answer is C, Spanish. What practice involves creating colorful henna tattoos? A, body painting, or B, clay sculpture, or C, henna, or D, watercolor art? The correct answer is C, henna. What do many cultures have as a formal ceremony for uniting couples? A, wedding, or family reunion, or C, marriage license, or D, engagement party? The correct answer is A, wedding. What custom in some cultures involves elaborate burial rites for the deceased? A, spring cleaning, or B, celebration day, or C, harvest festival, or D, funeral rites? The correct answer is D, funeral rites. What does the Japanese tea ceremony emphasize? A, competition, or B, precision, or speed, or D, harmony? The correct answer is D, harmony. What is the cultural event of planting new trees in many cultures? A, Arbor Day, or B, Earth Day, or C, global warming, or D, tree planting? The correct answer is D, tree planting. What custom celebrates the harvest with parades in the autumn? A, Harvest Festival, or B, Thanksgiving Day, or C, Spring Equinox, or D, Winter Solstice? The correct answer is A, Harvest Festival. What is celebrated globally with fireworks on New Year's Eve? A, Valentine's Day, or B, Independence Day, or C, New Year, or D, Christmas Eve? The correct answer is C, New Year. What traditional practice involves creating art from sand in some indigenous cultures? A, sand painting, or B, clay sculpting, or C, rock carving, or D, grass weaving? The correct answer is A, sand painting. What festival in Japan celebrates cherry blossom viewing? A, Sakura Matsuri, or B, Obon Festival, or C, Tanabata Festival, or D, Hanami? The correct answer is D, Hanami. What culinary tradition includes sharing dishes like bibimbap in Korea? A, Thai cuisine, or B, Chinese cuisine, or C, Japanese cuisine, or D, Korean cuisine? The correct answer is D, Korean cuisine. What is the German festival known for its beer and food? A, Fest der Biere, or B, Weihnachtsmarkt, or C, Oktoberfest or Kielerwoche? The correct answer is C, Oktoberfest. What is the traditional Vietnamese celebration of the Lunar New Year? A, Moonscape Festival, or B, Lunar Festival, or C, Tet, or D, Spring Equinox Festival? The correct answer is Tet. What ancient Sanskrit text discusses Brahmin rituals? A or B, Vedas, or C, Ramayana, or D, Upanishads? The correct answer is B, Vedas. What Caribbean festival features traditional music and dance? A, Merengue Night, or B, Reggae Festival, or C, Carnival Parade, or D, Junkanoo? The correct answer is D, Junkanoo. What African cultural event involves sharing stories and music? A, art festival, or dance competition, or C, storytelling, or D, market fair? The correct answer is C, storytelling. What is celebrated in Ireland with parades and feasts? A. Thanksgiving Day, or B. Easter Sunday, or C. New Year's Eve, or D. St. Patrick's Day? The correct answer is D. St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.